Welcome to my channel Global Car, where we bring the latest and greatest from the world of cars, classic icons, modern machines, and everything in between. If you love performance and passion on four wheels, you're in the right place. What if BMW took the iconic E30 M3 and gave it a 2025 twist? That's exactly what they've done with this reimagined classic, blending heritage styling with cutting-edge technology. The 2025 BMW E30 M3 isn't just a tribute, it's a bold statement. From the outside, it's a head-turner, classic boxy lines, aggressive flared arches, and that signature kidney grille, only this time, with a futuristic LED touch. It screams '80s nostalgia with a 2025 heartbeat. Under the hood, a turbocharged inline-4, tuned to deliver 400 horsepower, paired with either a 6-speed manual or an optional dual-clutch automatic. Rear-wheel drive keeps it pure, while modern suspension and traction systems make sure it hugs every corner like the original never could. Inside, it's the perfect fusion of retro and modern. Think digital cluster styled like classic analog dials, bucket seats wrapped in Alcantara, and carbon fiber accents where wood once was. And yes, BMW kept it driver-focused, no distractions, just the road ahead. This isn't just a car, it's a time machine with a soul. Whether you grew up dreaming of the E30 or just discovered its legacy, the 2025 version is proof that legends never die, they evolve. Thanks for watching. If you loved this modern take on a classic icon, hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell for more epic car content. Drop your thoughts below. Would you drive the 2025 E30 M3? Until next time, keep your engines revving. Would you like a version tailored to a specific audience or tone? For example, more technical